Hello, dear friends. Today I'm experimenting with a new technique to finish the lid of one of the wooden boxes I recently made for a customer. It's a flow painting technique, also called acrylic pouring. I have been wanting to experiment with this technique on wood for a long time, and this project was a dream opportunity to do just that. Because of the results I've obtained, I'm already promising myself to use this technique on other of my creations. Here, I remove air bubbles from the paint by passing a flame over it. For the sake of simplicity and parsimony, I decided to use only four colors for this project: black, brown, gold, and yellow. The exact names of the colors are listed in the description of the video. I don't own an artist's spatula, so I used a piece of cedar shingle that I split to spread the paint. To find out how to prepare the paint, visit Molly's Artistry YouTube channel. She's a talented artist and has created several instructive videos for this purpose. I'm sure you'll love her videos and her creations. I've added a link to her channel in the description of this video. The aim here is to cover the entire wood surface as evenly as possible. I love the way things are unfolding before me. I believe I will achieve the results I had hoped for. I was hoping to obtain a mix of colors that would complement the brown color of the box, and I wanted the appearance of small cells caused by the addition of a few drops of silicone to each paint color. lid handle was causing an obstacle to the pouring, so I added a few touches of paint to make sure the handle would blend in with the rest. Next time, I'll have to think of a way of installing the handle after the lid has been finished, so as not to disturb the pouring process. I added a few touches of paint to make sure the edges were also covered in paint. Here, I'm using my torch to remove the air bubbles trapped in the paint and brings out the highly awaited mini cells. Wow, just beautiful. Before showing you the final result, I'll let the lid dry overnight and finish the rest of the box with my favorite oil. Check out the metallic gold color. Absolutely stunning. All that's left is to apply a gloss varnish to protect the paint and enhance the metallic effect of the gold color even further. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.